up, Kumu? Get a hat real quick. Ah. What's up, guys? Kumusta? Magandang gabi. Thank you so much, Remy Lane. Alright, so it's a chill night. Why don't we play some chill music? What's good? Hello, guys. Salamat. Can you sing? Maybe. In a bit. Kasimula lang natin eh. Of course you can sing. Wait, let me remember your Fearlin? Yeah, I'll invite you to sing in a bit. So I have a new song coming out soon. Hope you guys can watch out for it. This is such a random live. I know, hindi kami nakapag-live ni Jairus last week. Kasi, di ba, merong bagyo na nangyari and we didn't know how to go live, with everyone going through something. Hindi namin alam kung tama ba. But anyways, we're gonna be going live tomorrow. And, yun. I think we're gonna be going live on my account tomorrow. So I decided whatever diamonds we earn for that live, we can donate it. Yeah, because people are still struggling, with everything that happened. Julia and Pascual just followed you. This is my cousin. Hey, Kazo, come up. I want to talk to my cousin on here. Guys, gusto niyo makilala yung pinsan ko. Sobrang talented nito ni Gabby. Gabby, come up. Can you, message? Gabby. Oh, she just finished the stream. Perfect. All right, come up. Can you request to, Gabs? This is my cousin, guys, Gabby. Gabby! Guys, keep pressing the hearts so that we get, up there. Get us hot. Gabby, asan ka? Request. Just charge my phone real quick. Gabby! Julia! Alright. What's up, Gab?
Hello.
Guys, ito po yung pinsan ko. Sobrang talented.
Dude,
Wow! Nagsistream ka na pala sa Kumu, ha? Guys, please follow my cousin. Ay, itong side pala. This is Julia. What do you wanna go by? Julia or Gabby? Wow!
Julia.
Julia?
Stop.
What's up? What have you been up to?
I don't know. I've been streaming a lot.
Oo naman. Kumu.
It's just Philip and Adrian na nagbibigay ng gifts.
Guys, i-follow niyo si Gabby, Julia pala. What do you usually do on your streams, ba?
I already sang like 2 original songs.
Can you sing for us, guys? Can you please? Okay, I'm inviting everyone to please watch my cousin's streams. Whenever. What do you have like a specific day that you go live?
I sing on Fridays.
Today's a Wednesday.
Yes.
But it's okay. You're gonna sing for us anyways.
Right now?
Right now? Where's your sister?
She's sleeping na.
Rafi! Sophia! And guys, please follow my cousin, please. She's right. I don't know which side is it. Is it this side? This side?
Yeah, it's outside.
This side.
Yeah.
And guys, this is my cousin. Can you sing for us so that they can follow you?
What am I gonna sing?
Any song. If you want to sing an original, you can. If you want to sing any song.
Are you serious?
Thanks for the halo-halo. Salamat sa mga nag-gifts, guys.
Want me to sing an original?
Yeah.
I can't do it. You're too talented eh.
Ala.
I just got my Kuya Nico inspires me to write.
Let's hear it.
Okay. I'm shy. It's ano pa. It's not the best. Wait.
Sus!
Where do I put this? Teka. Kuya naman eh.
Kaya mo yan. Okay, thank you, the Queen Sky. Oh, someone said a song request. Oh, thank you, the Queen. Ano? Queen? Huh? What's her username? Queen Sky. Thank you so much for the song request.
Okay. I'm gonna...
Thanks for the gifts.
Why are you streaming?
It was so random, because I haven't streamed for a long time, and I just thought about going live. Random.
Do you...
Oh, we have a lot of viewers, guys. Thank you so much. No, we don't.
Okay. I'm setting this thing up. So
This is super random, not planned.
I know. Why am I here?
Because you're amazing.
No, I'm scared. Your fans are gonna...
You got this, Kev. Hey, thanks for the lechon. Oh, salamat naman sa heroes. Kilig. Thank you, Jason.
Wow.
Walang kabayan. Machu. Wow, ganda naman ni Gabi.
Wow. Kuya, I'm bad at guitar. Sa lahat ng
Gabi
mga
yan.
nanonood, sorry na lang po. Hindi po ako marunong.
Daming disclaimer. Guys, this is my cousin. Someone's asking, sino ba? This is my cousin Gabi. She's super talented. Super pretty pa. Wow.
Stop it. Grabe yun. Okay. I'm shy. Sige. I'll just sing the first, like, until the first chorus. Dangerously I fight. The thought of you just gets me through. I slowly realize this tug of war I won. Can we turn back time to the night we danced? You held my hand, I knew your heart was mine. Now I hold on to an empty lie. Would cause to love to bend. Why did you leave me holding on to nothing? Can we play pretend that we're still strong? The game's ongoing. How do I leave? You're the only one free. Can we play pretend that you're holding on to me? Okay, that's it.
You wrote that?
Yeah.
Ang deep, ha? You're holding on to me.
Not from experience. Baka sumali dito.
Guys, ipalo niyo si Gabby. Someone said you look like Bianca Umali. She does, no? You actually kind of look like Bianca.
Ate Therese has that. Ate Therese and Mita.
You guys have like a similar face shape.
Na.
Again, guys, drop the diamonds for Gabby. Thanks for all the halo. Hey.
See. I shall go now. This is your stream.
You can come up anytime, huh?
Okay, sure.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Play, no?
See you
Let's
soon.
play soon.
Yes, please.
Love you.
Love you. Bye. Bye, everyone.
So that was my cousin, si Julia. Sobrang talented. It's also nice when she sings theater songs. That was actually a song that she wrote. So sobrang galing yan. Sobrang talented ni Gabby. But she apparently wants to go by Julia now. So, Julia. Thanks for all the halos. Guys, keep clicking the heart. Yo, who's this? San Diego. Royski. Hey, what's up, bro? Tara, G. You know. It's almost Christmas time. Miss you guys. Kawig niya si Maurice. She has that same beauty as Maurice. No, morena. And small face. And guys, we have a new movie coming out nga pala, if you guys don't know yet. It's called, Oy, Kuya Mo, kumusta? What's up? Sumbong kita rin doon. Si Kuya Dope. Lodi on Lodi. Thanks sa pa-hello, Marzi. Salamat sa mga nagre-regalo, guys. Thank you so much. Ate Sky! Ikaw nga pala yan. Sorry. Oy! Oy, salamat naman, brother. Thank you so much, man, for the jeepney. Oy, grabe. Laki pala nun. 5K. Iba din. Thanks, man. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Oy, thank you so much, Laika. You guys want me to sing? Ba't ba ako nagla-live pag pause ako? Keep clicking the hearts, guys, para we can get to the top of this thing. I don't know what it's called. Hindi naman siya For You page eh. Meron ba kayong mga katanungan dyan na nais nyong itanong sa akin? Thank you so much. Salamat sa mga gifts niyo, guys. Thank you. Hey, we got, salamat sa Southern Light fan, Hazel. Thank you, Isabel Hardeleza sa halo-halo. Naligo ka na ba? Yes, actually, naligo ako na maaga ngayong araw na to just because I had to get some stuff done. I actually did. Ganun buko. Salamat sa paletsyon. Kerry Patty. Kerry. Tama ba? Salamat, Kerry. Ano daw? Bagay kayo ni Marisol. Kaya, hindi magbasa ng comments minsan na. Magkapit-bahay kayo ni Joao. Sabi niya, yes, magkapit-bahay kami ni Joao. Salamat sa Carlito, hello. "17 or At My Worst." I like those songs. Those are some of my favorite songs. 17. Diba si Ed Sheeran yun? Try ko yung At My Worst, pero kasi wala akong boses. Try lang natin. Okay na yun. So what do you guys want to do? So tomorrow I have a photo shoot. Maybe sama ko kayo. Magkukumulev ako habang nasa shoot ako bukas. Yes, may chill bro bukas. Someone says that I look like him. Who's this? Do we really look alike? Do we look alike? You can come up if you want. Let me check what time my schedule is bukas. Ano bang oras schedule ko bukas? Oh, Ate Pam, salamat. Jazat, salamat din. Thank you sa mga regalo nyo, guys. Ano oras ako bukas? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. 4:30 call time. So, mga 5 p.m. Oh, grabe, Mr. Suplado. Grabe ka naman, my love, Jenny. Suplado ko dyan, ha? Hindi ako suplado. I'm not. Salamat din yan. Salamat sa patak plans mo. I miss you, Ate Pam. I really want to see you guys soon. Salamat sa palitsyon. You guys know the song? Sige ba, Ate Pam?